Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is consolidating a little bit, but we are still holding above the 2021 high. So we're holding above the $1.96 breakout point. We take a look at what that means in a minute on the smaller time frame. But overall, it is positive for further upside continuation if we can hold above that level. From an Elliott wave point of view, however, that level is not so important. It might, however, have a psychological effect. But overall, from an Elliott wave point of view, the support area that I'm going to show you on the smaller time frame is relevant. Here we have a support area on the 4-day chart between $1.05 and $1.79. The one on the smaller time frame is a little bit closer. The idea is that we are in the blue wave count here for higher prices. The third wave could finish at any time. I think there might be another internal higher low and higher high. So basically that we go a little bit higher and extend once more in circle 3. Before we get wave 4 then, and then a final wave 5 that might take us into the area between $5 to $10. Important to understand that we are just below key resistance. We've got the all-time high at round about 335, 340, and we've got the 178.6 Fibonacci extension and the 161.8 extension at 266 and 325 as additional resistance levels. So this is the overall context, bigger picture. There is no evidence that a major top has formed, but XRP has rallied significantly and support is far away, especially Fibonacci support, which is relevant for this blue scenario. And that always means the risk is high, right? As I said to you a few days ago, and you know that if you remember the communication here around this chart, that the micro count was actually full. And I said to you, okay, micro count to the upside is full. The wave count was full. I now need to see more price data to develop the wave pattern further. So caution is advised. The price then started to sell off quite a bit actually from the top. And this is when the wave count was full. On the 3rd of December, the price dipped 25%. There could be a crash in other markets. Here it's more like a dip, small dip. And the idea is, so one idea that I think is shared in the last video, one idea is that we're now in this wave 4 here with support at 185, 140, 112. The thing is, if this is this wave 4 of this wave degree, there is a potential we break back below the 2021 swing high support, breakout point at 196. Best I can tell is that this pullback so far, it looks corrective. So it looks as if we could get further upside, but based on the context, it is plausible to watch for a larger correction, like an A wave, B wave, C wave, and we could now be in the B wave before the C wave down happens. I have added here some micro support, which could be support for this A wave. We talked about that in the last video as well, between $2.06 and $2.33. The price reacted to that golden ratio level now 3 times. And I think the best wave count, at least from this perspective here, would be that this is now a B wave that might give us a bit of a bounce there. Price found some local support. This could be an A, B, C structure now, which might just send the price a little bit higher in wave B before we go down in wave C. That's at least the current thesis. As long as the intraday low is holding there at 221, I think I would watch for a C wave, but that's not necessarily a great setup. I mean, I think this is evolving into a larger ABC structure with support at $1. What was it? $1.12. Yeah, which means we could be caught in this correction for quite a bit actually. Yeah, we still are only in the beginning of this correction if this is a larger wave 4. So we'll see how this B wave evolves and develops. I mean, even that could extend out. But whenever we start to track a correction, we typically start with an ABC structure. These might evolve, they might extend, but that is sort of at the moment what we're tracking, which means I'm primarily watching lower prices at the moment, watching for lower prices. But please note that the B wave could overshoot. They might form a short-term new price high if the B wave is very aggressive. And then the next upside level to watch is around $3.25. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.